हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश विद शिवाय क्लासेस। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे बीए फोर्थ सेमेस्टर की फर्स्ट और सेकंड यूनिट से रिलेटेड जितने भी एमसीक्यूज़ हैं उन सभी को हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में भी हमने आधे एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस किया है। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो जाकर देख सकते हैं। उससे आगे के एमसीक्यूज़ को हम डिस्कस करेंगे जो ट्रांसलेशन और ट्रांसलेशन टूल से रिलेटेड हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द वे ऑफ ट्रांसलेटिंग सोशल एंड कल्चरल रियलिटी ऑफ द सोर्स टेक्स्ट टू दैट ऑफ द कल्चर ऑफ द टारगेट लैंग्वेज इज कॉल्ड, द आंसर इज ए, एडॉप्टेशन। In filling the blanks, the translation uses the word or phrases of the original, usually in italics. The answer is C, browning. Sorry, borrowing. ये क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है. In which the translation and expression is rendered word for word. The answer is D. In filling the blanks, the translator adds elements to the target text to make up their absence in the target language. Answer is B, compensation. When a word of the source text is replaced in the target text by whole group of words that explain a non-existence notion in the target language, it is called paraphrases. A good translation is a translation that provides an filling the blanks message of asl text in the target language. Answer is B, equivalent. Labby is a filling the blanks. Answer is A. According to the Beekman and Callow, there are, the answer is A, 4 main types of translation. ये क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है. The problems of equivalence arise primarily in translating. The answer is D, idioms. Filling the blanks distinguish translation a process and a product. The answer is A, abstract new word. Filling the blanks is another cause of loss in translation. Answer is C, untranslatability. The filling the blanks Bible has been translated into many languages. Filling the blanks is the translation with the same language. Interlingual. No two languages are ever sufficiently similar to be considered as representing. The answer is B, same. The idea of, the answer is C, machine translation. Machine translation can be used as a method based on dictionary. Translation of the classics increased considerably in French between 1625 to 1660. ये क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है. The writer of 7th century turned to ancient masters, seeing in imitation a means of instruction. Translation from one language to another language is called interlingual. Translation studies is incomplete without perspective. The answer is B, historical. Sir John Denham's theory of translation is expressed in his poem. The answer is D, to Sir Richard Freshon. The question important है. Translation of past Phaedo was written in the year. The answer is 1648. The translation version of the destruction of Troy was written. The answer is 1656. ये क्वेश्चन भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. The term translation study was first put forward by, answer is C, James Holmes. ये क्वेश्चन भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. Filling the blanks is the conversion of text from one script to another. The answer is A, transliteration. According to Denham, the duty of translation is to extract and reproduce, or filling the blanks B, recreate the work in the target language. in which the translation and expression is rendered word for word? The answer is D. Loss and gain are a part of translation process. Filling the blanks is one of the steps formulated by Darden in talking problem of translation. The answer is A. Imitation. Filling the blanks represent some change acquiring in a translation process. Answer is C. Shift. As the act of presenting a text in a language other than one in which it was originally written. The answer is C. Translation. The language from which the translation is being made is called. Answer is D. Source. The language into which the translation is being made is called language or receptor language. The answer is A. Target. Eugene Nidar describes translation as a science. ये क्वेश्चन भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. The word translation is derived from the Latin word. Good translation is translating that provides a message of SL text in the target language. The answer is B. Aberrant, Newbert distinguish translation, a process and a product. Untranslability is another cause of loss in translation. ये क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है. The Bible has been translated into many languages since ages. Which translation is called direct translation or close translation? The answer is B. Literal translation. The significance and relevance of translation in our daily life. Answer is B. Multi-dimensional and extensive. In the postmodern world, it has become so relevant that people visualize it as a socio-cultural bridge between communities and countries. Prose translation is the translation of novels, essay, fiction, short story, comedy, folktale, hagiography, work of criticism, science fiction, etc. Answer is B. Bible, the original Grand English translation. Culture plays an important role in translation. ये क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है. A translation is not monistic composition but an interpretation. The first category involves the and is component part of literal history. The answer is D. History of translation. Who did the excellent contribution to the translation study? The answer is C. Peter Robinson. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. Translation confidence can be sustained because human situation are analogs. Translation theory tends to be. The answer is A. C. Normative. Who first formulated the theory of translation? Dolet. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. Translation involves far more than replacement of lexical and grammatical item of language. Answer is B. Translation study is a serious discipline of the process of translation. Translation study is incomplete without perspective. Answer is B. Historical. इसी के साथ फर्स्ट और सेकंड यूनिट से रिलेटेड जितने भी MCQs थे हमने इन 2 वीडियो में डिस्कस किया. ये आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि आपका एग्ज़ाम MCQs बेस्ड है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.